Chia seeds, Salvia hispanica, also called salba chia or Mexican chia, are the edible seeds of a flowering plant from the mint family. Native to Mexico and Guatemala, the seeds have a long history. They were a vital crop in ancient Aztec and Mesoamerican cultures. The seeds had medicinal applications and made up an important part of the people's diets. Today, chia grows commercially in many countries including Mexico, Guatemala, Peru, Argentina, Australia, and the United States. The seeds are widely recognized as a nutrient-dense addition to healthy diets. Chia seeds are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants. Some of these antioxidants include caffeic acid, chlorogenic acid, camphorol, quercetin. These nutrients help provide many significant health benefits. Reduced free radicals. Antioxidants found in chia seeds can help to fight free radicals in your body. Free radicals cause oxidative stress and cell damage. Eating foods rich in antioxidants may help to reduce your risk of developing many health issues associated with free radicals, including heart disease, cognitive decline, and certain types of cancer. Better heart health. Chia seeds contain quercetin, an antioxidant that can reduce your risk of developing several health conditions, including heart disease. The seeds also high in fiber, which can help to lower high blood pressure and, in turn, reduce your risk of developing heart disease. Improved blood sugar levels. Chia seeds are high in fiber. Studies show that fiber may help to reduce insulin resistance and improve blood sugar levels, reducing your risk of metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. Research has also found that bread containing chia seeds triggers a lower blood sugar response than traditional bread, which helps to prevent high blood sugar levels. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to health conditions like heart disease and cancer. Caffeic acid, an antioxidant found in chia seeds, can help to fight inflammation in the body. Eating chia seeds regularly may also help to reduce inflammatory markers, which often indicate the presence of an inflammatory disease. Healthier weight management. A 1-ounce serving of chia seeds has 39% of your recommended daily allowance of fiber. The soluble fiber in the seeds absorbs water, causing them to expand in your stomach and increase your feeling of fullness when you eat them. By letting you feel fuller despite eating less, chia seeds can help you maintain a healthy weight. Better bone health. Chia seeds have several nutrients that are vital for bone health, including magnesium and phosphorus. A single ounce of the seeds also contains 18% of your recommended daily allowance of calcium, which is vital for healthy bone, muscle, and nerve functioning. When compared gram for gram, chia seeds have more calcium than dairy products. Nutrition. Chia seeds provide many essential nutrients, including calcium, manganese, magnesium, selenium, copper, iron, phosphorus. Chia seeds are also an incredible source of alpha-linoleic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that helps to promote a lower omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acid ratio. A lower ratio is associated with reduced risks of chronic conditions such as heart disease, cancer, and inflammatory conditions. Nutrients per serving. A 1-ounce serving, 28.35 grams, of chia seeds has calories, 138 protein, 4.7 grams fat, 8.7 grams carbohydrates, 12 grams fiber, 9.8 grams sugar, 0 grams. Potential digestive issues. Because of their high fiber content, eating too many chia seeds may cause constipation, diarrhea, bloating, and gas. Chia seeds may also cause flare-ups with inflammatory bowel conditions such as Crohn's disease. Potential choking hazard. Dry chia seeds absorb water, which causes them to swell up and become gelatinous. Dry chia seeds can get stuck in your throat, which poses a choking hazard. To avoid this risk, soak the seeds 25 to 30 minutes before use. How to prepare chia seeds. You will find whole chia seeds in most grocery and bulk food stores. You can also buy them online. Store chia seeds in a cool, dark place. If you grind your seeds, place them in an airtight bag or storage container and store them in your pantry or refrigerator. Chia seeds have many culinary applications. Some ways to prepare them include mixing them with milk or fruit juice to make a chia pudding, which you can top with cacao nibs or fresh fruit, creating an egg replacer to use in baked goods such as cakes or breads, mixing them into muffin batter, making a chia gel to add to homemade soups or smoothies, sprinkling raw seeds on oatmeal or a salad, soaking them to make chia sprouts, mixing them with almond flour and spices to make a breading for fried chicken.